Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about which of the 4 volcanoes we're going to be covering today is the safest to be around within 1 mile. So today we're going to be talking about the composite volcanoes, the caldera volcanoes, the shield volcanoes, and the cinder cone volcanoes. So for the first 2 types of volcanoes we're going to be talking about today, they are the shield and cinder cone. So the shield volcano, it is non-explosive. They just kind of slowly ooze lava down the sides, and this lava only gets to about around 3 miles per hour. So you don't really have to worry about getting hurt from these ones. They can cause fires and ruin roads and buildings, but if you're far enough away from them and stuff, you won't really have to worry about these ones hurting you. Alright, and so for the next volcano, the cinder cone, these ones are kind of explosive. They shoot up like jets of lava, and then instantly when the lava goes up in the air, it cools, which then brings down a lot of little rocks, but they fall straight down onto the volcano. So if you're over a mile in distance, you'll be pretty safe from these. You don't really have to worry about these ones too much. For the next 2 volcanoes we're going to be talking about today, they are the composite and caldera. So the composite volcano is really dangerous. It's super explosive. They often have pyroclastic flows, which is just humongous clouds of ash and gas, which will both those will kill you, and they get carried by the wind and go just all over the place. So that's super dangerous, and you can't really outrun these flows because they go 60 miles per hour, and they just are super deadly, and they just crush everything that they encounter. So it just keeps on getting bigger. They also have tephra, which is pretty much just little rocks and also big rocks. The big problem is actually the little rocks because they can get carried in the wind, and it makes it really hard to breathe and can actually ruin your lungs. It can turn your lungs pretty much into a slush, which will be really bad for you. And there's also things that come with those landslides or lahar, debris flows, which is pretty much just ice and dirt and just land, just sliding down a volcano, just destroying stuff. So that is really bad. And also the lahar is just a lot of melted ice, creating just a bunch of water everywhere it goes on, so it can flood areas, which is really bad. And for the caldera, it is pretty much the same. It's really dangerous. It has most of the same features because a caldera is just a composite volcano which had its top blown off, and now it just pretty much looks like a big crater hole in the ground. So yeah, both of these volcanoes are really dangerous, and you would not want to be near them. I'd have to say the shield volcano is the safest volcano to be near, just because it's not like the others where they launch tephra and deadly gases in the air. All they do is just slowly ooze lava down the sides. So if you can get away from the lava, you're pretty safe. That's why I think the shield volcano would be the safest volcano to be near. Alright guys, thanks for watching.